Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best efficient mini split AC unit that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the MRCOOL DIY DIY-12-HP-115B. 3rd General MRCOOL, with many decades of experience, has engineered the 3rd General DIY model with a SEER rating of 22. Every HVAC expert's heart jumps when seeing such tremendous energy efficiency. This makes the MRCOOL the ductless mini split AC with one of the highest SEER ratings. And that's just the cooling part. The heating efficiency is top of the notch as well. The HSPF rating is 10. To put it into perspective, the MRCOOL's best mini split is almost 15% more energy efficient than an average mini split AC unit. Just wow. What is more, the incredible inverter compressor MRCOOL enables the production of the record-breaking 533 CFM, cubic feet per minute, airflow. Moving on at number 4, we have the GREE Vireo Plus 22 SEER. With that in mind, the Vireo Plus series, GREE's best ductless mini split ACs, were created. The GREE Vireo Plus is the most reliable energy-efficient mini split currently on the market. The rotary compressor is capable of generating up to 400 CFM airflow. The bad side of that is that the GREE Vireo Plus does produce up to 45 decibels of noise levels due to above-average airflow. Reliability and GREE go hand in hand. GREE is one of the biggest brands in the HVAC industry. They know how important it is to make a reliable device. It's no wonder the GREE Vireo Plus model is a unit that rarely needs additional fixes or maintenance. At number 3, we have the Cooper & Hunter Sophia 21.5 SEER. Every time we see a SEER rating above 20, we ask, wow, great, but what's the price? That's because the super high SEER ductless mini split ACs cost $1,500 or more. Because, you know, in 10 years you are expected to get all this money back due to lower electricity bills. Well, Cooper & Hunter have put together a unit with 21.5 SEER for a bit more than $1,000. That's just something you don't really see every day. The heating specs quite great as well, almost 10 HSPF rating. So, this can't be all gold for about $1,100, right? Well, it's not. The Sophia series has below average dehumidification levels. Also, the airflow goes up to 306 CFM. But that does have one big advantage: silence. At number 2, we have the Bosch Quiet 20.7 SEER. Bosch is one of the most popular big mini split AC brands. With their 12,000 BTU model, they put reliability first. It's only sad to see that great specs were the cost of having great reliability. Without a doubt, the Bosch 12,000 BTU mini split air conditioner will serve you well. The energy efficiency metrics, SEER equals 20.7 and HSPF equals 9.6, are above average. The indoor unit noise levels of 39.5, 35/28 dBA are one of the quietest. It's hard to find a mini split air conditioner with below 40 decibels noise levels. The 306, 265 200 CFM airflow levels, however, are below to 400 CFM you can get if you check out number 1 MRCOOL and number 2 GREE units. And finally at number 1, we have the Pioneer Diamante 20 SEER. How has Pioneer achieved to create a cheap mini split AC with impressive big brand big buck specs? I mean, the Pioneer Diamante does have a very high SEER level of 20. Well, the reason is quite simple: the heart of every mini split system in the compressor. While the standard compressor is of the rotary type, the Pioneer decided to upgrade the inverter type. Did they develop it themselves? Not at all. Here the simple and ingenious move explains the great specs. Pioneer decided to build in Toshiba's ASN98D22 UFC compressor. That is how the WYS012GMFI17RL can achieve the SEER levels of 20, HSPF levels of 10, for heating, and an above average up to 383 CFM airflow. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.